Hello dear my students, let's start our computer class. So now open your computer book Cyber Hub, page number 16. So today we will read Working with Windows 7. When the computer is switched on, a message appears on the screen starting Windows. So dear my students, when you on the computer, a message appears. That message is starting Windows. After the booting process is over, you can see the Windows screen called desktop. Booting process. Booting process means time taken by computer to start. So when booting process is over, you can see the Windows screen. That screen is called desktop. Okay, let's know about desktop. After loading the operating system, the interface known as desktop shown alongside appears. This screen displays icons of frequently used programs. So dear my students, in this desktop you can see some icons that are frequently used programs. Frequently means repeatedly or continuously used programs. You can see the Windows desktop to keep frequently used programs, files and folders in the computer. So dear my students, you can use this this desktop to keep continuously or repeatedly used programs, files, folders, etc. Okay. So when you want to work on them, you quickly open that icons or that files or folders. The main components of Windows 7 desktop screen are desktop background, icons, taskbar, gadgets. So dear my students, you see this is desktop background and these are small pictures called icons, and it is start button, and these are quick launch bar, and these are gadgets. Okay, so first we will read desktop background. The picture that appears after the booting process is called the desktop background. So what is desktop background? The picture that appears after the booting process is called desktop background. It is also called wallpaper, and it is also called as wallpaper. You can change this wallpaper or desktop background. So how can you change? Let's know about some steps how to change the desktop background. Follow the steps. Step 1, right click anywhere on the desktop. So dear my student, first you right click anywhere on the desktop. Okay, a pop-up menu will appear. Pop-up menu means like this box will appear. Okay, then step 2, click the personalize option. So dear my students, here see personalize option. So you click on it. Then a window appears, like this box appears. Then step 3, choose the desktop background option by clicking on it. Then you see here desktop background. So you click on it. A new window appears. A new window. This is your new windows. This type of box will appear. Step 4, in this window. Click on the background image you want to set. So dear my students, here you select which image you set as background of desktop or as wallpaper. Okay, then step 5, click the save changes button. Then you click on save changes. The background will be changed. Step 6. Click the close button of the personalize option. The image you have selected will be set on the background of the desktop. Then next one, icons. So dear my students, here you see these are icons. These are icons. So icons are the small pictures on the desktop. These are used to open programs, files and folders directly with double clicks. So dear my students, that icons you are used to open program, files and folders directly with double click. Okay, some of the icons present on Windows 7 desktop, so that are computer, network, recycle bin and documents, etc. So let's we know about some icons that are present on Windows 7 desktop. Okay, computer. Double clicking this icon takes you to a window. So dear my students, when you double click on that computer icon, it takes you to a window. So that window gives you information about folders, storage devices, hardware and hard drives. Okay, network. This icon, when you select this network icon, this icon takes you to a window that shows different networks connected with your computer. Recycle bin. This icon takes you to a window that displays files and folders that you have been deleted. So dear my students, which files or those files you have deleted, that files, folders or so that are you can see on recycle bin icon. Okay, so dear my students, you read this working with Windows 7 up to icons. Okay, thank you my dear students.